In this video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step process I used to make from $5,000 to $10,000 per month as a freelance video editor in 2023. I'm not only gonna show you the best editing services you can sell, also gonna show you exact process to land your first video editing client by the next week. Video editing has become one of the highest paid skills in this digital world. However, most video freelancers make a major mistake when trying to make money with this skill set. And I'll tell you what that is in a minute, but now let me tell you a short story how I started with freelance video editing. Exactly a year ago, I was running an e-commerce brand, and I grew that brand only using organic marketing on TikTok. I'm totally shocked on what TikTok can do to your brand. 3 days ago, I started this brand. We already at over 1,000 euros in sales, total sales today at 738 euros. By growing that brand, I started getting approached by other e-commerce brands, and they started asking me to create content for them. This has evolved to the point where now I make short-form commercials like these.
I just want you to remember that average is the enemy, success is your responsibility, and change can take place in an instant if you are willing to flip the switch.
I'm loading up my clip, got a plan for tonight.
And I work with influencers all around the world making short-form content for them. And this allowed me to start earning from $5,000 to $10,000 a month profit, depending on how much workload I want to take on the monthly basis. And to be honest with you guys, this amount probably puts me in the top 10% earning video editors in the world. So what is that one mistake that most video editors make? Well, they are amazing at video editing, but that simply doesn't matter. You see, being a good video editor doesn't equal results in the social media landscape. The best video editor in the world who doesn't understand social media most likely will produce content that won't gonna get any views. And a mediocre video editor who consumes social media content on a daily basis is going to create content that's gonna generate millions of views. And this is what your client wants. They want results. They simply don't care if you're producing the content for them with the highest quality camera or other equipment. They just want to see results. So don't make this mistake of learning the cutting edge editing tricks. Actually study the social media platforms you're going to be producing content on and make content tailored towards those platforms. Which leads us to the question, what is the best video editing service you can sell in 2023 as a freelance video editor? I'll tell you that in a minute. However, it's very important to understand that you're not selling a video editing service. You're actually selling a result that this service is going to bring to your client. And by the result, I mean most likely traffic to their business. And traffic is going to come with views. And short-form content is no doubt the best traffic generator in 2023. However, if you go out there and try to sell short-form content services like everybody else nowadays, you won't get a client. Or best case scenario, you're going to get a client for very low rates because you're going to be outcompeted on price by people on Fiverr. However, in my opinion, selling short-form content services right now is still the best video editing service you can sell. But there is a big caveat to this. Do not compete on price. And to do that, there's only two ways you can go about this. You either find a way to generate premium clients and communicate crystal clear value to them, or you start producing short-form content like this. Your life is a video game. Every time you do something, your experience bar goes up. Even if you fail, that bar is slowly going up. Don't quit too early. The level 1 is closer than you think. Which gonna take a skill to create. But I'm sure creating this type of animated content is not something that you know how to do. Actually, me myself, I just started providing this service within my own content agency. And I'll tell you right now that this service right now sells like a hotcakes. There's simply so much demand and not enough supply for this. Actually, inside my creator program, I just uploaded a 2-hour lesson teaching how to make this animated content step by step. And if you're interested in joining, feel free to check out the link down below in my description. But essentially, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $250 just per one animation. There's also an option to hire a freelancer who knows exactly how to create this type of content. And all you do is take care of client acquisition process, which we're gonna talk about right now. So this is my exact blueprint to attract clients for this short form video editing service. I'm gonna be giving you my exact cold email outreach and the whole process. However, make sure you're not gonna be using the script word by word, because if everyone watched this video gonna start doing that, the script literally is going to become useless. Before I show you the script, we gotta know your client avatar. For this specific fixed service, the best client is always going to be someone who's already producing a long-form content on YouTube and has a big catalog of videos out there. So your job, essentially, once you get him as a client, find those best segments out of their long-form content and turn those into short-form content clips for TikTok and Instagram. However, this is where animated short-form content comes into play.
If you don't have ideas, read. If you have ideas but can't articulate them, write. If you have ideas and the clarity to execute, build.
There are thousands of people on Twitter who do not have a YouTube channel and only produces content on Twitter. Most likely they have amazing tweets, and those tweets could literally be turned into those black and white animations that I just showed you. Again, this is a cutting edge service, and I'm telling you guys, getting clients for this service has been the easiest thing I've done online, simply because the barrier to entry is really high. Not a lot of people know how to make these animations, and it takes a lot of work, which is a good thing. And again, can learn all of this inside the Creator Accelerator program, which is linked down below in my description or in the first pinned comment. But in case you want to sell a regular short form content creation services, here's my exact cold email script I've been using to contact those potential clients. Hey, first name, I first found about you through your Instagram page and I love what you're doing. That is also the reason why I'm reaching out. By helping X insanely scale his reach with short form content like this, I thought that we can apply the same strategies I've used for X and help you get thousands of new eyeballs for your personal brand. The best part, you can use them for Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube Shorts, as getting thousands of eyeballs on your content. P.S. You don't even need to lift a finger. We will make those short form videos just by using the content you already have on your YouTube channel. Currently, I still can accept 2 more people for this in early 2023. Is this something that you considered or would be interested in hearing more about? Let me know if you're up for a quick chat this week or next. Thanks, Carlos. Book a call. Well, this cold email landed me well over 20 clients, and I'm definitely not the only one person who managed to reach good results as a freelance video editor. Magnus managed to close his first client after joining the creator program in the first few weeks for $1,500 monthly retainer. Another student bought a MacBook after getting his first client in a couple of weeks after joining. A student from India got half of $1,500 payment paid signing his first client after joining our community. And honestly, this one is my favorite one. Another student from India closed $1,200 deal by signing 2 gaming YouTubers to create content for their channels. So as you can see, it doesn't matter where you're from, this works anywhere in the world. So as you can see, guys, selling the service works. You just gotta stand out a little bit, start taking action, and start getting customers. And don't think that you need to be the best video editor in the world to finally start getting the clients. Probably already know more than enough to get started. Now you just need to land those first clients. And for the extra social media growth knowledge, I recommend for you to watch this video where I talk about how to grow your Instagram page from 0 to over 100,000 followers in less than 60 days. So be sure to click here and watch it right away. Thank you so much for watching.